Yeah, well, we just got the fan down out of the ensuite and it was very, very dusty. When we put it back up, I'll demonstrate how to put it up and how to put on and take off the cover. This is a HP fan. It's a pretty good fan, but it collects all the dust and the blades are pretty filthy.
Stop.
Cleaning. It'd be great to be able to hose it down, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got the fan down and we've cleaned it up, and that's the cover, which has been washed as well. The important thing when you're getting it off, that's up in the ceiling and this is on it. There's clips around here. There's finger holes on either side to get a grip on to get those two off. Then you work your way around and unclip it as you go. It's not a slide and unlock, it's a clipping on cover. Okay, so now we'll put this back up. I'll put this down here, come around here. So now we're going to plug it back in because new house has got that kind of a plug. It's a plug and play. So basically you plug it in there, tuck it back up out of the road all the way, and you bring your wings in so that they can go up into the roof. Of course the hood goes up. Like that, and then your handyman passes the screwdriver. It's going to lock in the bits that catch onto the plaster and then you tighten them, they just pull in. Haven't got to over tighten it. Snug enough. There you go. That's 2 out of 3. It's clever how it locks in, makes it easy. And right, the cover's going to get back on now. We've done a test of the fan, it's working okay. So you've just got to line it up really and flick it all into place. There we go. Now just get filming there for me and I'll just turn the fan on, make sure it works. Good as new.
Off.